Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by choosing the right VPN for app use. Pick a reputable provider with 256-bit encryption and a strict no-logs policy. Check that the provider supports split tunneling so you can route only selected apps through the VPN. Confirm simultaneous connections for at least 5 devices if you use multiple gadgets. Also verify server coverage in the country you need to access for better performance. Download and install the VPN app from the official App Store or provider website. Create or sign into your account and complete any email verification steps. Open settings and enable split tunneling to include only the apps you want protected. For most apps, choose a nearby server to reduce lag. If you need geo access, choose the specific country server required for that app or content. After configuring, verify the app works correctly while the VPN is active. Use an IP location check to confirm the app shows the VPN server region. If the app fails to connect, first switch to a different nearby server and try again. Toggle split tunneling off and on, then restart the device if problems persist. Contact your VPN provider's support or run diagnostics built into the app to resolve stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.